Let's twist Hachiware, the cheerful and positive body from Chiikawa. Please recommend clown action.
First, start by pumping up a 260 white balloon. Start off with a pinch twist for one of the arms. Then make a 10 cm bubble for the head. Another pinch twist for the other arm. Then another 10 cm bubble that brings back to the other arm. This forms the back of the head. Now an 8 cm bubble, tie it to the other side. And then another 8 cm bubble to tie back to the other arm. This will be the body. Between the two 8 cm bubbles, you're going to make the legs. Make two 4 cm bubbles. Bring it to the other side and wrap it around the pinch twist. With the two legs, bring them to the middle and twist them around a few times. Now that the legs are done, with the remainder of the balloon, cut it, tie a knot and wrap it around a few times. Then hide it inside the balloon. Next, you're going to pump up a 260 blue balloon. Release some air at the tip, tie a knot, then leave a long tail. Start off with one pinch twist to make one of the ears. Tie the tip to one of the arms. Bring it over and above the head. Then after one ear, squeeze out some more air. Then make another pinch twist for the second ear. Squeeze out some more air and tie it to the other arm. With the remainder of the balloon, wrap it around the arm for a few times, then cut it off, tie a knot, and hide it inside the balloon. Now the twisting part is done. Now, grab a blue marker and add some details. Draw the forehead shape and then shade it in. Now, grab a black marker and add the outline. Now draw the eyes and leave some space for the highlights too. Add the dots above the eyes, add the nose, and a smile. With a pink marker, draw the blush on the face. Grab the black marker once again to add some more details to the face. And now you're all done.
what other balloon Hachiware? Please comment down below what you want us to make next time. Thank you. Bye bye.